from Senator Bongbong Marcos, who is now running for Vice President. Does that mean you believe that we should move on from the Marcos issues? You know, it's an issue when it comes to the vice presidential debate. You have Leni Robredo saying, and many other sectors saying, you should first apologize. The Marcoses should return their ill-gotten wealth. Where do you stand on that, given you've accepted his endorsement?
Well, I'm grateful. Karen, if you're going to vote for me, thank you. If Bongbong Marcos will vote for me, thank you. Because you are considered constituents. Lahat tayo, ano? So sa akin, malaking bagay yun. Any help will do. Now, second, should he apologize? I think it's the wrong question. Ang tamang question is, may kasalanan ba siya? Siguro yun ang i-identify natin.
Ang
Because,
tanong ko sa iyo, may kasalanan ba siya? Si Senator Bongbong?
well, I don't know with people kung siya ay nagkasala sa pagiging anak ni Ferdinand Marcos. Hindi ka makakapamili ng magulang, Karen. May mga magulang na mabuti, may mga magulang na masama. But it doesn't mean ang kasalanan ni Pedro ay kasalanan ni Juan. Kaya yung mga mag-aakusa, hindi lang si Bongbong Marcos kung pinag-uusapan natin. You should prove it. Don't do dun sa person na inaakusahan. No? Eh, kasi lumalabas na lamang yan. You know, ito na nga lang eh. Ilang taon na? 30 years? Or 35 years?
Yeah.
No?
Now, okay.
Parang, kailan tayo mag-move on? We're not saying, let's forget what happened in the past. No, we should be reminded of what happened in the past. Pero let's not point fingers to others that may, as human being, we tend to make mistakes.
Okay.